Listen to my ringtone. It could be your ringtone too. So what's everybody up to today? Okay, shh. No media touched. I think I have to wait till it sings. Nope, it's not the one I want. Yeah, I found it. I am ready to head outside. Venture out into that world. That world out there. Yeah, I got a couple things to do today. Gonna go see Rob. Does anybody remember Rob? Rob-a-Bob? Rob-a-Bob? You might. But if not, you'll see him later anyway, so then you'll be like, ah, Robert. I miss him. So I'm glad to see him. We're gonna be heading out soon to head to places and stuff and things. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be great. See you then. Guess who we found?
Hi, camera. Hi.
It's Bobby.
Bobby!
Robert, this is your brother. You got me the Wii, Robert? Oh, broke, wow. Robert. How do you do it? Oh, Robert, come!
Wow.
Saturday night.
Saturday. Oh, I just like whacked it.
Oh.
It's Monday.
But it's your Saturday. Hey, it's cold in
New Hampshire? It is cold in New Hampshire.
There's not much snow up here. You have a lot.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Can't even see you. It's dark.
Well, go fuck yourselves.
Oh, Stewie. What do you have to say about that, Dan?
Nothing. You got nothing.
Nothing?
Look at that melon-shaped head.
Having you here is a joy. And in an hour you'll be dead.
Sit on my knee. Please don't go poo.
Nice place to be. This one's for you. Baby City is a bum deal.
There's a bum deal? It's dark out.
Why don't we watch Will and Grace? Jesus, do I need a smoke?
Jack like a who?
Getting gasoline. Wow, that's got a lot of stickers on it.
This little rat smells like piss.
Always a succulent treat. While I suck that, you suck this.
Aren't you a sight? Look at him drool.
You're a...
Getting gas.
The grossest I've ever seen.
The baby smiled and took a breath. And I grunted and pooped out a poop that looked something like Matthew Modine.
Someday you might meet a girl.
This is Haley Duff singing with him.
She's gonna be your right hand.
Maybe it's you, my sweet pearl.
Well, who needs 2 gallons of milk,
Darling,
dude?
I'd rather fuck sand.
Have a good night.
Fucking sand. That would be painful.
Have a good night. Die in your sleep.
Gasoline. So you got $5.
Is a bum deal.
Come stay on.
Baby City is a bum
See what face he makes. Pump in the gas. Pump in that gas. Pump in that gas. Hoping that, I guess.
So you see, you got a really messed up kid here. I'd suggest you get him some help before it's too late. Got this guy, freak?
Went away.
I'm out of here.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss
He's
Haley
running
Duff.
away. Bye.
Well, nobody likes a
Where did
bum
he
deal.
go?
You know what I'm talking about. The feeling when you get passed over for that
Let's see
promotion
where
you
he
thought
is.
you
He should
deserved.
show up any
Or
second.
when you find out your old high school girlfriend who you never quite got over is about to marry someone else. Or when you're humping a leg for 8 minutes before you realize there's no entry point. But you know what? You and I have both got a friend who's always there to lift our spirits.
Now the world don't move to the beat.
Man is
What are you
born,
doing?
he's a man of dreams. Then along come two. They've got nothing but their dreams.
Being a butthole.
They've got different strokes it takes, different strokes it takes, different strokes to move the world.
That's true, but you know, Stewie,
Everybody's got a special kind of story.
I'm just gonna record him.
Camera out of my face! Get it out of my face!
What?
Get out of my face!
It's in your face.
Get out of my face! No! 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 Ah! Get out of my face!
What was that? Oh, I love that song. Okay. Dan, why are you hiding?
No!
Okay, bye.